In this video, I'm going to show how to reset the oil life on a Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. This covers 2018, 2019, 2022, all these years. As you can see, the Mitsubishi. Okay, first things first. This is the one with the push button right there. So you gotta push the info button until you get that mode right there, and then you just hold that, and then see that flash right there. Then you push it one more time. It's gonna say clear. Once it says clear, you good, you gotch, ain't got no problem. And then you start the car up. No. Perfect. The message doesn't come up. You good, you gotch.